Unreal. Ghost town.
Well, it has to be at this time, and people need to pay attention to what the officials are trying to keep us safe.
It's great for biking.
I hope it goes fast. Hope we're back in business soon. This isn't much fun.
It's a shame, but I guess it's the best thing for our health.
Full-time resident, and I enjoy, as much as I'm allowed to enjoy less crowds. So it's okay.
As a Naples resident, I love walking around our downtown. I miss the beaches, which are beautiful beaches. But I think what I miss the most about downtown is I miss the happy hours.
The other thing I would say is that I think we're going to find out that the real problem is going to be in the places that have real high population density. And if we keep the people from leaving those places and spreading out all across the rest of the country, I think the problem in the rest of the country is going to be a lot more controlled than the media says.
Naples is a beautiful place. If you have to hunker down, this is the place to be. And for those of you that live here full time, God bless, you're lucky folks.
What the situation does is it brings out community, it brings out a sense of community. People are rallying around and trying to help out the restaurants and such that are more or less closed, and really helping them to stay open for now and hopefully in the future as well.
As a Naples resident of about 28 years, this is really uncanny and weird, but I'm enjoying it. It's very peaceful, quiet, nice to drive around town.
Hey folks, I'm from Northern Kentucky. I'm down here visiting the beautiful Naples, Florida, and I ain't seen anything like this. It's vacant, and I'm just trying to hang out with my multiple females over here, and I can't even just do that.
Naples became a ghost town, where it's very eerie driving up and down 41 when there's no cars on it. Normally, you're fighting for your spot on the road.
Hi, this is Phoebe Guda, owner of the La Livo Restaurante in Fifth Avenue. Our address 651 Fifth Avenue South. Come and support us. We're still doing business for to go, and follow us in online.